Before buying the best glue for automotive plastic, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Super Glue XXL. Let's kick things off with the ARK Super Glue XXL. This stuff is priced at $9.99 and has an impressive 4.6 star rating from over 21,000 reviews. What caught my attention was the industrial strength bonding capability and the fact that it comes in a generous 1.76 ounce tube. If you want a reliable adhesive for both light fixes and heavy-duty projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This glue is engineered to provide a high-performance, instant fix for everything from plastic to metal and wood. The rapid drying formula means you can get back to your work in no time, achieving maximum durability in just 3 hours. Plus, the airtight precision tip prevents clogs, so you can store it for later without worries. Now, it's been bought over 10,000 times just in the past month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Now, some people complained about the full cure time being a bit longer than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a quick fix, you might want to keep that in mind. But for more substantial repairs, that waiting time is worth the strong bond you're going to get. This is perfect for you if you need an all-purpose adhesive that can handle tough jobs. Skip this one if you're looking for something that dries in seconds and doesn't require patience. For the price and quality, it's definitely a solid pick. Now, if that full cure time bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Super Glue Gel XXL. Next up is the KRAFTPRO Easy Super Glue Gel XXL, also priced at $9.99 and sharing the same stellar 4.6 star rating from 21,200 reviews. What really grabbed my attention was its non-drip formula, which makes it perfect for vertical surfaces. If you want a mess-free application that's reliable, this is worth looking into. The non-run formula means it stays put exactly where you apply it, making it ideal for tricky overhead repairs. You can handle multiple projects with this 50G tube, and it's designed to be clog-free with a specialized airtight seal. You can apply this glue with precision without worrying about it running amok. With over 10,000 purchases in just the last month, it's clear this one is a favorite among users. However, some users did mention that it can dry out if not stored properly. Here's my perspective. It's crucial to follow the storage instructions to avoid this issue. If you're the kind of person who forgets about their tools, then yes, that might be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you often need glue for vertical or overhead repairs and value precision. Skip this one if you're prone to forgetfulness about storage. Overall, it offers solid value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for precision repairs. Product number 3, Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL. Now let's talk about the Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL, priced at $8.98 and boasting a 4.6 star rating from an astonishing 40,000 reviews. What caught my attention was its impact-resistant technology and fast-setting properties. If you need something that can withstand stress and provide a strong bond almost instantly, this is definitely worth checking out. The no-run gel formula allows for precise repairs, especially on vertical surfaces where traditional liquid super glue can struggle. It sets in as little as 10 to 45 seconds, giving you a quick turnaround. Plus, the anti-clog glue bottle means you won't have to worry about messy caps and dried-out glue. With 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's no wonder this has become a go-to for many. That said, some users pointed out that the bond can sometimes be too strong, making it difficult to reposition glued parts. Here's my take. If you value a strong, permanent hold, this is a feature rather than a flaw. Just make sure you're ready to commit to your repair. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a super strong bond and fast application. Skip this one if you need to frequently reposition parts. For the price, it's an excellent option. Alright, if that strength and speed caught your interest, the next product really focuses on specialized applications. Product number 4, 3D Printer Super Glue Gel. Up next is the ARK Biotechnology 3D Printer Super Glue Gel, priced at $12.99 and holding a fantastic 4.7-star rating from 5,300 reviews. What drew me in was its specific formulation for 3D printing materials. If you're working with PLA, ABS, or other filaments and need a strong, waterproof bond, this is worth a serious look. This glue is optimized for 3D filament materials, providing strong bonding for repairs and layer fixes. The no-drip gel formula ensures clean application, even on vertical seams. Coming in a generous 1.76-ounce tube, it caters to makers and professionals who require a high-volume adhesive. Withstanding temperatures up to 110 degrees Celsius, it's built for durability, which is an absolute must in automotive repairs. However, some users have mentioned that it can take a bit longer to fully cure. Here's the thing. For 3D printing applications, sometimes that patience pays off with a stronger bond in the end. This is perfect for you if you're frequently repairing or modifying 3D printed components. Skip this one if you only need glue for standard automotive repairs. For the price, it offers great value for those in the 3D printing community. Now, if you're not in the 3D scene, let's look at something more universal. Product number 5, Woldo Clean Super Glue. Finally, we have the Woldo Clean Super Glue, which comes in at $6.29 and has a respectable 4.5-star rating from over 18,100 reviews. What caught my attention is its versatility across various materials like metal, plastic, and wood. If you want a budget-friendly all-purpose adhesive, this is worth considering. This glue offers a waterproof and heat-resistant seal, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It cures fully in 24 hours, but the initial bonding happens in as little as 10 to 45 seconds. Its fine-tip applicator allows for clean and precise application, which is a huge plus for detail work. With about 800 purchases in the last month, it's clear that users appreciate its reliability. That said, a few reviews pointed out that it might not be as strong as some premium options. Here's my perspective. If you're doing lighter repairs or touch-ups, this shouldn't be an issue. But if you need something heavy-duty, you might want to consider the higher-priced options. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable glue for general repairs. Skip this one if you're tackling heavy-duty automotive projects. It's a solid option for the price. So there you have it. From the ARKA Super Glue XXL for heavy-duty tasks to the Woldo Clean Super Glue for budget-friendly options, each product has its unique strengths. Depending on your specific needs, whether it's speed, precision, or versatility, there's definitely a glue here that fits the bill. Choose wisely and happy repairing.